Okay, I'm gonna start working on the dinosaur journal. So if you don't have that yet and you want to work along with us, there is a video above this one that has the link to it. So check that out and let's get started. I have divided this up into about well, if you're counting the actual page, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them on that one, like 4 to 6 on each one. And then I'm going to staple them with my long stapler, my wide mouth stapler. And then we will put them on this little strip right here. And then into the cover. See, I have them all on one side, except for the ones I messed up. So that I can make little pockets. And I had one that actually printed pretty decent on both sides, so I just left it. My printer is a pain. Going to have to get a new one when I get some more money to do it with. But for now, I can use this. Oops, missed one. I need to do this one over. I messed up. Okay. Oh, is it still going to do it? There we go. I don't know why that one didn't want to work. Anyway, got it in. Good. Next. You want to see how it looks now? It won't be like this. We'll glue it next. Anyway, it's going to look good. Oh, and for this, for folding it, I did the little, whatever you call it, where you, the little indentions. Oh, I can't think of what it's called. Anyway, my brain. Sometimes I need a brain transplant. But I don't think they're giving those away at the moment. So I have to deal with the brain God gave me. I did it again. I'm gonna sit here poking my finger if I don't watch it. Anyway, get your staples all down good. You're doing it the way I'm doing it. My daughter's gonna be so happy when all this is done. She loves dinosaurs. Okay, got it. Next. If you have a favorite printer, please tell me what your favorite color printer is if you do a lot of color printing. I need a new one. Now, you could have just stapled it directly to the piece of cardstock, but I kind of didn't remember that. So I'm going to glue mine to my cardstock. Yeah, I got too many irons in the fire, I think. But I don't see that changing anytime soon. I'm just going to use my little paddle here to smooth my glue. Now, I'm trying to do this because I don't want the staples to show through my cover. You have another way of doing it, that's fine. This is how I'm doing it. I think I want a little bit more glue though. That takes a lot. Okay. Now I'm just going to start in the middle. Oh, that's just ink. Don't worry about that. And it went through, which is a good sign, because that means I got lots and lots of glue, which I like. And I'm just gonna clip it again. And I have one more clip somewhere. Oh, I have a lot of more clips somewhere. Let me use this one since I have it. Maybe I am. If it'll go. There we go. All right, then I'm going to show you the cover while that dries up. Okay, so here is my cover. I'm gonna get it the right direction. Let's see. It's gonna go like this, and this is going to be in the middle. Some ways. Should have did some tabs, but I didn't. So we're just gonna flip it. Need some room. Okay. Got some room. I want that to be like, I think I'm gonna just use some clear tape if I can find my clear tape. Yeah, it's right here. Or I could use paper tape. Let me see if I got paper tape. I'll be right back. Okay, I do have paper tape. Let's see what I have. I have the masking. I have this kind of paper tape. And nope, that's not paper tape. That's just tape. Okay, let's use this one since it matches the color of the paper. All right. I love paper tape. I'm glad I found it. Why do you love paper tape? Thanks for asking. Well, paper tape just makes everything look like it came together if you're working with paper. So that's how you do it. You go down to the section of the store that is the pharmacy section, and you pick up a roll of this paper tape. And it's really, really cool. And you just use it wherever you need something stuck together. Let's see, is it going to blend? Yes, it's going to blend nicely. Okay, we're going to do the other side now. Okay, so I'm just going to stick it and pull it where I want it. Okay, hopefully this all does what I want it to do. Oh, let's take them off now. Okay, and it's also great if you want something to look like old tape. You can take it and put some ink on it. So it's all good. think I might put another layer just to make it good and strong. I'll get you some paper tape. And just cut it or tear it, depends on what you're using it for. And if you're doing the old tape look, tearing it is perfectly fine. Okay. All right, I got that together now. I'm going to put it back in my little metal container. Where's my lid? Okay. All right. Now, let's see. This heat, it may be already stuck together. And then I'm just gonna glue that paper down. So I need some more glue. I'm just gonna do a little circly motion. Get it in there a little bit. I'm just going to, I think it's stuck, so I'm going to snip the edges so it lays nice and flat. Okay, make sure it's going the right way. Looks good. And it's going to go like that. But first, I forgot. I've got to, I want to Mod Podge it, I believe. No, let me think. Think. Do I want it Mod Podged? Might just want it glue podged. I think I'll just glue podge it since I already got the glue in. And I just gotta get it centered. Oh, I wanted that on the other end. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna get this all glued in. Now this part I want to stick on the outside. So I'm gonna go back and get a little bit more glue there. I have to use some more of my paper tape. Make sure this stays. That's not, I'm going to use this yellowy one, this. Masking tape. Okay, and go back to this side. I'm going to cut this off, don't worry. Don't worry, be happy. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Use a tiny bit of glue. And I'm just going to tape it. Okay. tape. Now you don't have to do it like this. You can do a lot more supery dupery job than me. If you want, you can make it just perfect. But I'm looking for great, not perfect, because I don't have the time for perfect. You know, some people just don't, and I'm one of them. Okay. Okay, so I think I can still do some Mod Podge. Make this really nice thick cover for my daughter. I think she'll love that. When you Mod Podge, you need to do both sides. I'll do it this way so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Oh dear. Did I do it upside down? I may have. Nope. It's right. I think. Hopefully. Okay. Now the outside, I still have to make Mod Podge. And that will be next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.